Weblium referral program is a unique chance for you to earn free months of a pro subscription by simply inviting your friends to the platform. Your friends benefit from the program, too. They get a 70% discount on the annual subscription. Here is how it works. If you are a paying Weblium user, log into your account and click on the Refer Friends button on the sidebar. You'll see a unique referral link in this window. Now, copy the link and share it with someone. The number of invitations is unlimited. Here's what it looks like from the point of view of an invited friend. They follow the link they received from you, then register a Weblium account or log into the existing one. Your friends will see a banner on top notifying them they got a discount. To redeem this discount, they should click Upgrade on the banner, then select a website. Once your friend successfully upgrades a website using your invitation, you receive a promo code for 1 free month of a pro subscription. Actually, here you can see not just the promo codes, but also their status, expiration date, and friend's email. There are 2 ways of redeeming the promo code you got. First is applying it on the active pro subscription as an extra month. For that, click on the Apply button, then choose a site with a pro subscription, and click Apply to finalize the process. Another way is using the promo code to purchase a new monthly subscription. For that, copy the code, then choose the website you want to upgrade. Switch to the monthly plan and go through the checkout process. Enter the promo code on the final step. You will see the price change. That means that the promo has been applied successfully. That's it. Don't hesitate to share the invitation link with your friends and colleagues to get the maximum from the Weblium referral program.